Don't go out there. Hi.
Mario! You go.
Can anybody else see those lights? Oh, I know
It's just you.
no, it's not.
Oh no, way down there. Yeah, past the trees.
Where are they coming?
Yeah, they're right there.
Yep.
Oh,
Oh, it's just the paramedics.
I hope we don't get trapped.
No, it's not. It's a
Is-
fire truck.
Is it? Yeah, it's a fire truck. So long story short, Jayden kicked the ball, hit the thing on accident, and then fire alarm. Okay, let's get back in.
Okay.
I need a video for the day. Kidding. Well, I mean, they know. Wait, they're gonna go through the back, I think.
No, I don't think so. Just go out there and tell them.
Don't just stand up. Stay here. I'll go out there.
Okay.
I'm kind of
This door.
responsible for it, so.
Yippee.
Oh, they're volunteer fire department. Well, this is interesting. So basically, he pulled the pin on accident.
Easton's
adopted. Nah. Hey, you're trying to call me out. You kicked the ball. I eventually showed up to the really annoying one, but yeah, I'm surprised it didn't happen years before.
What's it?
Like we kicked the arm.
For volunteers?
Yeah, the volunteers, fire department.
We need to show them the other ones where it's
Oh jeez.
Oh, Chuck came.
They're gonna come help us up.
Yeah. What's up? I'm opening the door. Alex, I think that's all. Oh, it's not. One interesting day. Look at that one. Hey, Logan, I need a fireman. Let's go over there. I kind of want to like. See what they're doing. That was the sound that was really annoying. Saying that. Logan just worried about a bathroom to mean a fireman.
We'd have been scared if there was like water.
If what?
If the water. Like the sprinklers came on. Like the sprinklers.
Oh man. They don't have any.
I know, but if they did.
Yeah, no sprinklers, period. He did.
And Easton got the ball stuck. It's not coming.
Yeah, we got the football stuck too.
No, you did. You
I
got
did.
the football stuck.
I kicked the football up there and
And
stuck.
you turned the alarm on.
No, that was you. You kicked it there.
You get it
That's the
down.
face of a guilty man.
You get the fire truck in here and get the ball down.
Hey, might as well try.
I don't think they would. I don't know where they drive the truck.
Well, that ball looks. They have a ladder.
I doubt they would bring it in here just to get a ball.
Sheila's asking if they want chili.
Are you serious?
Yeah, she was asking Sheila.
Well, they're firefighters. Firefighters love chili.
Yeah, we have like 4 things of chili anyways.
She asked if they wanted chili.
Yeah, Sheila asked if
did
they
they
want
say?
chili. Said no, they said no thanks.
Chili.
I hate the sound. It's right there, Riley. Riley.
Bro, you don't need to record it, bro.
I have to.
That's it. What are you? It just makes him feel extra awkward.
I don't think so. So everyone else here is chill except for Mari, right, Mari? Yeah, she's sad, but everyone else here is chill except for the 2 little ones. So while they try to figure it out. So yeah. Saying I don't know if it can be fixed.
I sure don't know. We might have tried, well, that's the police department, I don't know that either.
I know, like John.
Cornelius,
No, John. He takes care of the schools,
Oh, okay.
but
I'm gonna have to end it here, guys. Sorry, but yeah, we'll probably get fixed. I'll tell you in the description. Just check it. Goodbye.